Protesters stood outside a courthouse in Tel Aviv and chanted slogans on Monday as Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu arrived for a hearing in his trial over corruption charges. They are protesting against a request to be pardoned that Netanyahu submitted to Israeli President Isaac Herzog on Sunday.
Yesterday, Benjamin Netanyahu, the so-called Prime Minister of Israel, requested to be exonerated from all his files. And we're here to say there's no such thing as being exonerated from files from being a criminal. And he is a criminal, and he should be standing on trial just like every other citizen in Israel.
Netanyahu claimed it would serve the interests of Israel and the United States, and that his trial was tearing Israeli society apart.
הגישו היום עורכי דינים בקשה לחנינה לנשיא המדינה. אני מצפה שכל מי שטובת המדינה לנגד עיניו יתמוך בצעד זה. עמדו לנגד עיניי פניותיו החוזרות ונשנות של הנשיא טראמפ לנשיא המדינה. הנשיא טראמפ קרא לסיום מיידי של המשפט כדי שאוכל יחד איתו לקדם ביתר שאת אינטרסים חיוניים המשותפים לישראל ולארצות הברית. מדינת ישראל ניצבת מול אתגרים כבירים ולצידם הזדמנויות אדירות. כדי להדוף את האיומים, כדי לממש את ההזדמנויות, נדרשת אחדות לאומית. המשך המשפט קורע אותנו מבפנים, מעורר מחלקות הזאת, מעצים שסעים.
The request comes a few weeks after US President Donald Trump sent a letter to Herzog asking him to exonerate Netanyahu.
Hey, I have an idea. Mr. President, why don't you give him a pardon?
But under Israeli law, a pardon can only be granted to a person if they are a convicted criminal.
We know that Trump is asked to exonerate him, but Trump is not an Israeli. We have a legal system, and according to our legal system, there is no such thing as requesting to cancel your files in the courts without, first of all, being accused. And since he hasn't been accused yet, and we haven't finished the trials, then he can't ask to be exonerated.
The cases against the Prime Minister have sparked divisions inside Israeli society. His supporters claim the accusations against him are politically motivated, while his opponents see it as an opportunity to put an end to his political career.
אני קורא מפה לנשיא הרצוג. אתה לא יכול לתת לו חנינה בלי הודעה באשמה, הבעת חרטה ופרישה מיידית מהחיים הפוליטיים.
Netanyahu faces charges of fraud, bribery, and breach of trust, which he has repeatedly denied. In one case, he and his wife Sarah are accused of accepting more than $260,000 worth of luxury goods in exchange for political favors. And in two other cases, the Prime Minister is accused of trying to negotiate more favorable coverage from two Israeli media outlets.